Okay, let's dive into the math behind the price tag on that thing you want to buy.
It's not just a random number, it's a journey with a few key steps.
Here's our game plan. We're going to follow the money from the first cost to the final bill.
It all starts with two basics: cost price, or CP, and selling price, SP.
Super simple, right? It's just about whether the selling price is higher or lower than the cost.
And to really get how they're doing, businesses turn these numbers into percentages.
See? Even a tiny profit on each item really starts to add up.
But wait, that first cost isn't the whole story. You've got extra costs called overheads.
You'll have to add these in to find out what the item really cost the seller. So here, shipping costs bump the true price from $6,500 up to $7,200.
Now let's talk about the price you actually see on the tag. That's the marked price.
And here comes the fun part for us shoppers, the discount. The math is pretty straightforward. The price you pay is the tag price minus that discount.
So is that the same as a 30% discount? Well, not exactly.
That second discount comes off the new price, so 10% then 20% off is actually a 28% discount. Okay, we're almost at the finish line, but before you pay, there's one last thing: tax. It's a simple 3-step process. You take the selling price, figure out the tax, and add it on. So for these shoes, a 6% tax adds 51 rupees for a total of 901. Then there's something called value added tax, or VAT. This one gets a bit more complex. Here, each business only pays tax on the value they add. Pretty clever, huh? So let's recap the journey, from the seller's true cost all the way to your final bill. So that price tag you see is never just a random number. There's a whole story behind it.